Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about this fashion apron. This is amazing. If you want to look stylish in the kitchen, look no further. All right, you guys, I absolutely love this material. It is definitely not cloth material. I can definitely tell you that it's waterproof. If water gets on this, it's not going to absorb it at all, which makes it so much better for cooking because if you splash yourself, you can just rinse it off or wipe it off super quickly. You do have that adjustable little neck rest, so if you need it longer, if you need it shorter, you can adjust it as you need. In the front, you get two pockets. As you can see, this is definitely going to fit my phone just fine, which is great. I need my phone in the kitchen to look up all the recipes that I need to know. And then you have the string to tie it as well. It is nice and long, so it's going to cover most of your waist as well. And take a look at this beautiful pattern. It is gorgeous. But the best part is that there's two others that come with it. So you get this pretty tree one and this chevron one, and I just think they are gorgeous. They feel so nice. They all have pockets, the adjustable neck, everything, you guys. So check these out. These are incredible and they're gonna make my cooking experience so much better.